My channel. This is Luna the Moon Tarot. My name is Neha Tanka, and here I am with your timeless energy check video. Whether you are in a no contact separation, third party situation, this particular video is going to resonate with you. Whether you are in a relationship, this is going to be the reading for you. So stick till the end of this particular video because I'm also going to suggest the spell work basis this particular reading. In case if this resonates with you, you can reach out to me, book a session, private session with me to know more about your particular connection or to book a spell work. All right, let's see. Now you already know the drill. Close your eyes, say your person's name thrice, and hit the like button to connect with my energies and for this reading to resonate with you. Drop I believe in love in the comments section to receive abundance in your love life. Let's see what the cards has to say. The sun. Oh my god, maybe dealing with a Leo here. Sun, moon, rising, Venus, or you yourself are a Leo. I see happiness coming in your connection. This is a very positive card of tarot, the most positive card of tarot, wherein I see you being so happy. You are on top of the world right now. You are ready you are so energetic. You are ready to go out. You're ready to meet people. You're ready to be in a relationship again, or probably you are ready to receive the love from your person in your life. Right now I see your person is going to pamper you like crazy. This person is going to reach out to you if they haven't, and things are going to turn out to be good in your favor because I see you are happy. That means that if you have your eyes upon somebody, if you have somebody in your heart, that person is going to make you feel very special. Your childish nature, your childlike nature is going to come out and you will be enjoying this moment. I see a strong reconciliation, missing energies, and a reunion that is so powerful and that is so beautiful. This person has been missing you like crazy. Okay, this person has been missing you like crazy. They have been backtracking, going in the memory lane as to how life was, how they spent their life with you. They are reliving all the memories they have created with you, and they kind of unable to detach themselves from it. Okay, they love you and they realize that they are madly in love with you. They want you. They are missing you badly. They are thinking about you. They are daydreaming about you right now, and they cannot stay away from you. With the Knight of Pentacles, they may have taken a long time. For few I feel 13 to 14 days. For few I feel around 6 weeks that this person has not contacted you, but now they are coming forward towards you. They may have taken time, but everything was up in the air. Nothing was making sense, neither for you nor for them. This was the karmic debt that you were supposed to pay off, and now the wheel is turning in your favor and all the positive outcome is going to come forward towards you. With the Knight of Cups, I feel that this person is going to come forward. They are going to offer you this cup of love. With the Ten of Cups, I feel that they are going to offer you this commitment. They are going to tell you how much they love you. They want to have life with you. They want to get married to you. They want to have kids with you. They took very, 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 very long to confess this thing, but they took very, very long to confess this thing, but they couldn't resist it, okay, any further. They took a long time to realize this thing. There were a lot of delays. There were a lot of heartbreaks in this connection, roadblocks in this connection, confusion in this connection, choices in this connection. But finally, everything is coming forward, falling in the right direction just for you. With the Queen of Pentacles, they are ready to take this commitment. They are ready to give you this commitment. They are working on themselves because they see you as somebody who's too good to be true, who knows and who can handle each and everything, who is worth giving this particular commitment. And they are kind of manifesting you right now. With the Empress card, I do see that this person sees you as a husband slash wife material. You are very caring, very nurturing, and they know that the work needs to be put from there, the efforts needs to be put from their end. They need to become worthy and deserving of you, and that is what they are working at right now. With the Nine of Cups, I feel that this person definitely is in love with you. They want to come forward, they want to be with you. Their emotions are, kind of um, kind of not able to, they are not able to contain their emotions anymore. The emotional connect is so strong that they are now seeing future with you. All the imagination, all the illusion, all the clutter in their mind, all the confusion is now gone, and they do realize that you are the one for them. That realization has hit them hard, and now they are ready to take an action. They are ready to close the cycle, the negative cycle. They want to come forward towards you. Lot of healing, lot of patience, lot of gap has already been taken in this particular situation. Now they are gearing up to come forward, offer you this Ace of Pentacles, the stability, the security which you deserve the most. But they are worried, are you going to accept them in your life, or you are going to push them away? And if you're going to push them away, they know that it is their fault, the karma. They are paying the karmic debts because they pushed you away in the past. Now when they are feeling lonely, they want to come forward towards you. So in case if you do push them back, they know that it is their karma, their karmic debts that they are going to pay off. Right now I see that they may not be expressing to you. Maybe you have blocked them, they have blocked you, but I see soon they are going to unblock, or you both are going to unblock each other. The passion is going to ignite, the new energy is going to come in this particular connection. The second chance is there, the divine itself is playing a role. If you've been asking why is it that things happen to me, then the divine is telling you that everything is supposed to happen with divine timings, and it was supposed to happen like this, and now it is supposed to happen like this. So the divine itself was testing your patience. The person who blocked you, if ever they did physically, they are going to unblock you, but your walls are going to be up high. In case they pushed you energetically and blocked you, then they are going to pull their they are going to pull their walls down. And I see a commitment. They are going to offer you this beautiful commitment. The Ten of Pentacles tells me that they are even going to take you home, introduce you to their parents. This person can be somebody, I'm hearing, can be a dog lover, can already pet a dog, may already have a pet at their place. The hope is still not lost. They want to come forward. The person who ghosted you is now coming forward. They are ending the negative cycle. They're ending the end now, and they are asking you out. They may even message you. They may tell you that let's catch up for drinks, we'll have dinner or lunch together, whatever, but let's just have a face-to-face discussion. They're putting their pride down, their ego down, and your phone is now going to flood with so many messages going to come in. You would not be able to handle it, because all of a sudden this person seems to be like totally different. This person seems to be like not the same kind of person they used to be when you were in their life, or you were after them. Because now I see that this person is going to communicate so well and so much that you will not believe yourself, that is this the same person who ghosted me is now communicating through and through. My phone does not stop ringing. My phone, I keep on getting messages, iMessage, WhatsApp, whatsoever, but my phone does not stop ringing. There will be swift communication, but a lot of it. This person who was running away now will start chasing you. They haven't been able to move on. They regret what they did to you. They are keeping their ego and pride down, and whatever responsibility or overwhelming emotions were there in their life, they are leaving it away. They are coming forward, apologizing to you, sending you this message. And such a beautiful reading, guys. I'm so happy to do this for you. So whosoever this particular reading resonates, you can you can book a personalized session with me. In case if you want more information, you can book a session with me. The details are in the description. And in case if you want to know the spell work too, make this particular situation happen, turn in your favor, and to reunite with your person, you can go for the 21 days love combo or love reconciliation and communication spell work with me, or you can tell me the situation. I would suggest you the spell work. You can go for the reading basis which you can go for the spell work with me. So you can anytime reach out to me. My WhatsApp details are mentioned right there. You can DM me on Instagram or WhatsApp, and if you haven't liked, shared, followed me on YouTube, please go ahead and do that, because I will be uploading daily videos, so do not miss out to them. Thank you.